You know, I've been doing hosting events for the past half of my life, and it was really my dream to manage and operate an event space. And ladies and gentlemen, it happened.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Wait na lang po natin yung sir. Wala kayo kasama? Hi, sir! Hi! Kamusta, sir? Hello.
Nice to see you.
Hi!
Alam bang makabila? Alam makabila? Alright.
Kasama pala ako sa vlog. Hi, vlog!
Ayun sir, mabilitang pag-effects kayo ni sir.
Nantalo, no?
Galing tayo.
Bakit?
Galing tayo palalo sir.
Baba mo na
Ako das ko pa.
Dito
This
po
is...
kayo sa may... Yes. Well, dito tayo yan, sir. Ang gagawin po natin, susundan natin ng tingin yung camera, then do some dancing lang tayo. Dancing, sir. Yes! Posing. Pero susundan natin ng tingin. Yes! Gusto kayo bigay na bigay, okay? Are you ready?
Nahiya po ako eh.
Ay, di mo lang may wow!
Huwag mahiya, ganyan, huwag mahiya.
Sir, ready? 3, 2, 1! Okay, sir!
Nano ba mo kabalit? Kamusta na ka?
Nice! Mark. What are we doing here?
Actually, nandito tayo ngayon sa EUROASIA Celebrate with the Suppliers.
Yes, so actually this is the grand opening ng kanilang auction hall. So we are inaugurating this and making this known to public. They can actually use this for their events, occasions. What a way to make people know that isang event na ganito.
Actually, aabangan natin yung ball mamaya kasi napaka-bongga, napakadaming suppliers for sure. Talagang en grande to.
Yes. Epson eh?
Our heart overflow with gratitude as we extend our sincerest thanks to our generous sponsors who have lent their support and passion to make this event a reality.